Hey y'all, it's Rip One Outdoors. Hey, we got a few things here we want to go over with you today. So y'all have a seat and we'll get back with y'all in just a minute. Roll that intro. Okay, everybody, it's good to be back with you. Of course, it's Rip One Outdoors, but we are indoors today. We had a few things that I wanted to talk with y'all about. One of them that I want to get to immediately is I was asked by Magicycle to announce about their Black Friday sale, and as of course y'all know, I did a little teaser video on that the other day and got a good response from that. But then I told them I would, but I'm going to incorporate it into another video that I'm making about seats. So before we get into that, we'll talk about Magicycle's Black Friday sale, and this will start this morning. As y'all will be seeing the video, it'll be Friday morning. The video comes out Friday morning about 6 o'clock. So the sale will start then. So you want to immediately go, if you're interested, go to Magicycle's website and check out their Black Friday offers. So here's the deal. First off is the Cruiser, Magicycle Cruiser. That's going to be $500 off for a Black Friday sale price of $999. And one that really is attractive to me is the Cruiser Pro. The Cruiser Pro, $200 off their regular price, and that makes for $1,499. So I think that's a sweet deal on a Cruiser Pro at $1,499. Ocelot, $1,099. That's $200 off their regular price. Ocelot Pro, here you go. Here's another sweet deal that I think. I highlighted these two deals, the Cruiser Pro and the Ocelot Pro. Ocelot Pro shares the same number as the Cruiser Pro, $1,499, and that's $200 off the regular price. Deer Step Over, $2,099. That's $400 off their regular price. Deer Step Through, $2,299, $200 off their regular price. And the Deer Mini, $2,399, $100 off that regular price. I'm not familiar with the prices on the Deers and the Minis. Here recently, I haven't been able to keep up with it like I should, but I was kind of hoping to see some more discounts on the Deer and maybe the Deer Mini. But nevertheless, you got some good sales right there, and I ask y'all to go on out there and check it out. And before I go any further, be sure to use that link in my description. Y'all know I got to hit you with that pitch. Use that link in my description. Now, I will say that the discount codes that you may see on my description, it's possible they won't work. So that's because they've already got these things marked down. And if so, they put a hold on my discount codes. My discount codes may not come active again until after their Black Friday sale. But either way, it doesn't hurt to check it, right? So check it. You may slip in a couple $100 extra off there. It's according to what you're buying. And I'm going to say this, that if you do use it, and you go out there and you buy something, send me an email and let me know. I'd like to know who you are. We've recently had some sales, and one man, Mr. Lee, he sent me an email and told me that he used my link, and I'll tell you what, I really appreciate him and look forward to seeing, he's planning on trying to make some videos. I look forward to seeing some interesting videos from him with his Magicycle Ocelot Pro that he bought. So yeah, let me know what you buy. Let me know what kind of a deal you got on it. I like to interact. I like to interact with y'all. I think most of y'all's been following me for a while now. You know that. I like to interact. All right, so we're gonna wrap that part of it up. Magicycles Black Friday sale. There you go. I've read it off to you. Maybe I can cut it and put a little graphic on the screen there for you so you can stop the video and take a look at it, and you can see just what I read off to you here. If you've got any questions, but of course they'll have all this information on the website. We appreciate Magicycle. We've always been a strong supporter of Magicycle because they've supported me in the past. It's a beautiful day out here. I mean, it's 62 degrees inside this shed. I couldn't ask for it to be any nicer. I could get out and ride, and I may go take a little ride here shortly. But I want to get a video out about something that's maybe something that everybody that owns an e-bike or even a regular bike, I guess, thinks of at one time or the other, and that's their comfort. That's the comfort of their booty, right? We mentioned seats. We got a couple of seats here, and we've actually got all the seats off of our bikes. They're out there with no seats on them right now out there in the yard. But we wanted to just show y'all what we use. Now, I don't keep up with seats like I should, and I realize there's somebody out there that may have a better seat than what I have, and it may be working good for you. If so, that's good. But there may be someone who is struggling to find a good seat, and you don't want to maybe spend a whole lot of money buying this and it not work, buying this and have it not work just right for you. I went through that, but I can tell you one that won't work. Where's it at? Y'all, excuse me. These never did work for me. Yeah, in case some of you new guys that are watching me, in case y'all think this may be some kind of green screen image right here. No, this is my shed. That's my work tools. That's Uncle Percy's old handsaw right there. Yeah. So, yeah, everything you see there is real. But these seats right here, they're okay to do a little test ride or whatever. But for someone is going to ride 20 and 30 miles, no, I wouldn't think they'd be the best for you. So we'll throw that one aside right now. These are the seats that are in my description, okay? I have 3 seats that are in my description. First one I have is the Giddyup. That's the Giddyup. And this is the Giddyup Outdoor / Indoor. That's what you see on Amazon. There's a link down in my description for it. And this is the version with the LED. And you have to select the one with the LED. If you do not select the one with the LED, you may get one that's got springs on it like this. Those are heavy and cumbersome. Taking them off and on, it just weights down your bikes, and I don't like it. Especially if you're running a Suntour seat post right now, and you don't need the springs, then you don't want the springs, okay? Just buy the one that's got the rubber parts here on the back. Rubber springy things. I don't know what the technical name for it is. But this is the seat off of Suzuki's Ocelot Pro. And that's the Giddyup Outdoor Indoor with LED. Price $39.95. I'm going to put y'all a graphic here on the screen. Okay? What we got next? The next one I want to show you guys is the Cloud9 Cruiser Select Black Soft Vinyl Top. I know some of y'all out there has this seat because I've seen it on your bikes. It's got the springs, okay? It's got the holes in right in the middle of it. I don't know what that's for, but if it helps, good. But it's got the springs and it's very heavy, so bear that in mind. If you've got a suspension seat post on your bike already, try to avoid these big heavy springs. That's just going to weight your bike down even more. But yeah, that's the Cloud9 Cruiser Select Black Soft Vinyl, $34.19. I'll put that graphic in the screen for you right now. That's the second one that we have. They may not be in the same order that I'm listing them. This is another one that I've been running. This is the Cloud9. I only run one of these. And I had it on, I think I was running this one on the Jaguarundi at one time. And then I had it on something else. I don't know. Can't keep up with all of them. But that's basically the same seat as this one. But this one is the Cloud9 Cruiser Select Lyrca, Lycra. I don't know how you pronounce that. It's $34.19 also. Same design. Same design as this one. It's just got a little bit different top. It feels like silk. You've heard of me riding in silk stocking? Well, that there's for your silk bottom. Silk for your bottom to sit on. So anyway, that's the 3 seats that I run right now. Hey, if I had another one to try, I'd probably try it, and I'd let y'all know. But right now, that's all I have. But what I'm running right now is I'm running 2. Let's see. This is the Giddyup that I'm running on Suzy Q's Ocelot Pro. Giddyup with LED. I'm running this one on the Magicycle Deer. And it has suspension seat post. This one has suspension seat post. Candace's bike. No suspension seat post, but I am going to get her one. Same thing, Giddyup with the LED. I like the LEDs. Why? For that right there. See that? Ain't that nice? It comes with a little charger and you charge it up. It's pretty nice. All right, what is this one here? Okay, this is the one that I'm running on the Jaguarundi. Sun Tour seat post. Cloud9 Cruiser Select black vinyl top. And there you go. That's what I'm running. The one that Donald has is the Mihogo LX 4.0. I bought a special seat for that because I wanted to stay with that brown, because it has the brown hand grips, and it had a brown seat, and it's got those brown sidewalls on the tires. Yeah, y'all saw that in one of the last videos. It looks really pretty. So I stuck with the brown seat, and I picked one up off of Amazon. I don't remember what it was. But it's a really nice seat. It's made just like these. So there you go, everybody. If we can help y'all out in any way, let us know. If you got any more questions you want to ask us about any of these seats, where we got them from, we put the links down in the description there. We're not just trying to drum up business, but we're trying to help our viewers. And if you come across a question of any kind, you want to ask us about it before you pop $35 down on your card, hey, ask us. We'll let you know best we can. As we said before, we like to interact with our viewers. So yeah, I'll put my email down there, and y'all can be sure hit that hit that email and ask me anything, and I'll be glad to help you. So as always, we'll put our link down there for Magicycle. If you decide you want to buy a Magicycle bike, and I certainly wouldn't blame you if you did, especially during these Black Friday sales. I'm anxious to see what everybody has myself, and I look for seeing people buy some bikes over the holidays. And there you go. Y'all know what the rest of the story is. Hit that like and that subscribe. We're at 920 right now. We keep on kicking along like a one-legged duck. We'll see how far it goes, y'all. I'm still pushing for maybe Christmas. We're all over 1,000. And if it happens, good. If it don't, good. But we'll see y'all. We'll see y'all down the road on the trail somewhere. In the meantime, we bid y'all peace.